How to sign up GitHub account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for a GitHub account. GitHub is a popular platform for version control and collaboration, which is primarily used by the developers to host and review code, manage projects, and collaborate on software development. Here's how you can create an account or sign up for a GitHub account. First of all, open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, type in github.com. Once you type in this keyword, now press this go button of your keyboard to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of GitHub. Here you need to scroll down and in this box you need to enter your email address. After entering your email address, now tap on the sign up for GitHub button below the email box. Once you tap on it, you will be redirected to this page. Here wait for a second and it asks you to enter your email address again. If you have already added your email address in the previous box, it will be automatically entered in this box also. Now tap on this continue button right here. And now you will be asked to create a strong password for a GitHub account. Make sure it is strong and unique. If your password is strong, you will be notified at the bottom. There you will also be able to see the requirements of a password. Now after entering the password, tap on this continue button at the bottom. And now you will be asked to enter the username. Enter your username. If your username is not available or already taken, you may need to enter a new username. Now after that, tap on this continue button. And here it will ask you if you want to receive occasional products updates and announcements or not. If yes, you need to tap on this checkbox ahead of this option. If not, you can just tap on continue to proceed further. Now after doing that, it will start verifying your account. You will need to solve this puzzle in order to verify you are not a robot. And after successful verification, GitHub will send you a verification code to the email address you provided. Go and check your email and find the code. Here copy the code, return back to the previous page and paste it here. After entering the code, you can see your account has been successfully created. Now you can use the username or email address and password in order to sign in to your GitHub account. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.